Okay, so if I have your student for AP Literature, this is what their course looks like. I have them 5th period, and this is their course overview. So AP Literature, it's an introductory college-level literary analysis course, and students will cultivate their understanding of literature through reading and analyzing text. So already they have started reading Frankenstein. They will have that book finished by next Tuesday, and they'll read approximately anywhere from 10 to 12 novels this year. They read 100% of those novels outside of class, so we don't ever sit in class and read together. They're expected to do all of the reading outside of class, and they come to class ready to engage in meaningful discussions pertaining to all of the units we will address this year. In their Canvas, you actually will see that your student has access to the Fort Worth ISD Canvas, and this is what it looks like. So they go here in their Fort Worth ISD Launchpad and Apps, and we have our course, our AP Literature course there. We're on Unit 1 with a short fiction. We will do poetry. We will also do longer fiction and drama. And those are the 3 hubs that we tend to live in: the short fiction, poetry, longer fiction, and drama. These are all of our units that we will complete throughout the year. If you notice, we are attached to AP College Board. It is because they will be taking a test in May. I believe it's May 14th, either the 4th or the 14th, somewhere in there. But they have an exam that they're expected to take. This exam will give them college credit. So it is an intense course. If your student has been taking pre-AP for several years, that was the precursor to this course. So the introduction to the actual AP course that is going to prepare them for the exam that, again, they will get college credit once they take it. This is what their unit actually looks like. So I'm logged into a student account now. And as you can see, we have these quizzes that we set up, and I set them up again using the module. And your child is able to go in and do all of their coursework here. I typically will do an instruction video that walks them through what to do, but just so you know, I think the most important things with AP Lit is to know that your student is always reading a novel. So they always have homework, always. They're always reading a novel, and they're expected to write essay responses over those novels in addition to the discussion they are to bring to the classroom. And again, my job is to prepare them for the exam so that they can get the college credit. One more thing to point out about this course: usually the guys taking this course are in their 5th year of English. They have had me, this is their 3rd year. Some of them even, they've had me all 4 years for their English 2, on-ramps, their rhetoric course. That was lots of fun. AP Lang, and now probably AP Literature. So those are the courses that I have taught them over the course of their high school career. Some of them I had when they were 8th graders for English 1. So they've had a lot of instruction from me, so hopefully they are able to perform when it comes time for college.